Good evening, traders. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get started with the recap for today. So, Bank Nifty, the levels we had drawn was the first resistance at 36,400, and the next one was at 36,575, 580 levels. So, as I did not touch this, I did not adjust anything. As you can see, it opened right here within these two resistance levels, and it rejected at the first opening 15-minute candle. After that, it started to go move down, and it ranged between that before giving a breakout temporarily at the 12:45 15-minute candle. It swung back inside, but it showed lesser strength. It then again broke out at the resistance level, which again played as support, and then it went and rested, closed exactly at that point. Let's look at the levels for tomorrow. Let's just delete these lines and go ahead and make some fresh analysis now. So the first level that we'll be looking at as a resistance will be today's high, that is at 36,600. It rejected, it was a zone, and after this the next level would be a little far out. Let's mark this at 36,900, round it off. Now the today's support will be the support for tomorrow, that is at 36,260. I am expecting a gap down below 36,268. Let's see how that goes. And the next support, this is going to be a little tricky because this was an incline over here, higher highs, but then it opened gap up. So let's go with a midway of this last candle over here, as you see at 36,120. 36,120 is your next support. So these are the lines and the levels for Bank Nifty tomorrow. If you're trading indices, please note that the options will be decaying due to the expiry coming up in 2 days. Let's go on to Nifty now. So Nifty opened gap up today, and as I had drawn the level, if you see my previous video, you'll have an idea about the levels that I drew. The second resistance was drawn at 17,150, which it traded over that and then swung back in, again tried to do a double top pattern and then broke down. Now when it broke down, it rejected, it did not even come close to the first resistance that we drew, which played as a good support. Now it swung back in, and at the closing hour, it made a good breakout. I didn't check yet as to what was the reason behind this. Was it energy? Was it uh, auto stocks? I think it was auto stocks. We'll see that later. So now it has closed well above the level that we had drawn over the second resistance. Now if we go for tomorrow's analysis, a lot of gaps to be covered, so let's put our first resistance at 17,314. The next resistance will be built at 17,413. So that's your upper side levels, and now the support will be at today's low, that is at 17,064, and this again is a tricky one. So we'll take the resistance that played on 25th of April at 17,006. So these are your levels for Nifty tomorrow. Let's go to the equities now. So what happened today in equities is Chambal Fertilizers. I had given the opportunity to short Chambal Fertilizers May 500 call option. It was at 13 when I gave it in the group, and it was at this level in the morning, and the target was 12. So I had posted that per point is 1500 rupees gain per lot that you short. So it did touch over here, we met our target, and after that it moved back into the 13 zone and then slightly broke out at 13.45 closing. So this was a good target to achieve, and per point per lot gave an profit of 1500 rupees. So this was our winner for today.
Hi traders. A little update regarding the platform that I had communicated in my earlier videos. It's rather disappointing that due to some technical issues, the hosting issue could not be solved in time, and we had to push the launch of that platform a little later. So I'm excited about the platform. I hope you are too. I've received overwhelming response, and I'm so happy and for the love and support that all of you have shown me. I hope that we have the platform up and running soon. I will be testing it again, and once that is, then we will launch it. I will keep you all updated. Till then, please do like, share, and subscribe to the videos. And happy trading.